Hello, kia ora, welcome to Molly Makes. Today we are going to be making pancakes. Okay, we will need 1.5 cups of flour, and I'm going to just add a little pinch of salt, and also 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg, 300 ml of milk, 60 grams of melted butter, and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now we're going to start off by mixing our dry ingredients. So we put the flour, sugar and baking powder into a bowl and just whisk it to combine. Then we need to add our wet ingredients, which is our milk, vanilla essence, the butter, and the egg, which we are just going to gently whisk before we add it. And then just whisk gently. Don't mix it too much, otherwise they will be tough and chewy. So just enough to combine. That's enough. Now make sure you have a cooling rack to put them on when they're cooked, and I'm cooking mine on a griddle pan, but you can use a frying pan. Now I cooked mine on a low heat, and you just start off by adding some butter, spread it around, and I use a 1/4 cup measuring utensil to measure mine out, and that will make about 10 pancakes. Now once you see lots of bubbles forming at the top, you know that the pancake is ready to be turned. Once it's turned, it only takes about 25 seconds for the other side to be cooked. And then put on the cooling rack. Thanks for watching. Just let me know in the comments below if there's anything else you'd like to see me make. Yeah, Milo.